Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to Lincoln, Nebraska. I don't actually know what we're doing. Well, I mean, we're headed that way. We're headed home towards Utah. We might be dropping down into Colorado. We might be going north through Wyoming. Honestly, I have no idea. And on that bombshell, yeah, welcome to Nebraska, the capital of Nebraska. Geography buffs, the capital of Nebraska. We got the 2020 Supra. We're headed that way first, though. So Utah's that way, but we're headed that way. We're getting window tint. It needs an exhaust, like, as soon as possible. Whoa! This car, like, some scenarios, it just sounds amazing. I've arrived here to GP Customs in Lincoln, Nebraska. We have a bit of a problem. The Supra, as it stands right now, it's kind of sort of a fishbowl, and so GP is hooking us up. We're gonna get the Supra tinted today, which it desperately needs. Robert tells me this is the loudest Corvette in the world.
The loudest. If you're gonna stand back there, I have to have you sign this disclaimer.
Okay, yeah, yeah. If we could just sign the waiver real quick.
Yep, real quick.
He's not wrong. That is very loud. What did you do to that?
Pretty loud, huh?
Oh my gosh.
Cams, long tube headers, straight exhaust all the way through. This thing is just a beast.
Now we're pulling it in there, and we are getting window tints. The fishbowl is no more unless. We're doing two things today. We're installing paint protection film on the hood, and then we're getting the windows tinted right now. So we're pre-cutting, and when I say wait, obviously I'm not doing anything, but we are pre-cutting the window tint. That is so sick. Tint hasn't been installed quite yet, but it just completely transforms the back end. So this is 5% SunTek window tint, and then on the sides we're going like we're doing legal. We're doing like what, 50%? Yeah, 50%. Yeah, we're definitely 100%. Definitely 50. We're not doing 50%, but I don't want to incriminate myself. So. All the windows have been tinted. Paint protection film has been installed on the hood. So now we're gonna PPF the front bumper with SunTek. They actually have the kit installed on the computer. It's gonna be pre-cut and printed right here and installed. So much better. Massive shout out to GP Customs. Guys, go follow them on Instagram. If you live in Lincoln, Nebraska, you need window tint, you need paint protection film, go check them out. I'm gonna put a link to their website in the description below. Absolutely killed it. We got SunTek paint protection film up front, the full bumper, the full hood as well. That's gonna keep that black paint looking primo. Yeah, massive shout out to Robert and his team here at GP Customs. We gotta get on the road though. We gotta head to Colorado. We are headed 7.5 hours to Colorado Springs, Colorado. We have 2,123 miles on the Supra. 6 hours, 26 minutes, 467 miles to Denver, Colorado, and we're sat in traffic in the middle of nowhere, Nebraska. We are sat in traffic as far as the eye can see. Nothing is gonna happen today, boys. Nothing's gonna happen. So on that bombshell, that beautiful bombshell, I will see you guys tomorrow. In today's video, I will see you tomorrow. I was right, nothing happened, like absolutely nothing happened in Nebraska. Welcome here to Colorado. We are headed that way to Colorado Springs for a McLaren Senna. pop it into sport mode. We're gonna hold down traction control, turn that off. We're gonna mash the brake, mash the throttle, launch control active, hit it. Go, 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 go. We're late. That's 55, that was 55, that was definitely 55. Whoa, 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 whoa. If you could you park far away from the Supra, please, sir?
Yeah, I suppose I could.
Yeah, like we gotta get you like way out there in the nosebleeds.
What's up, buddy?
How you doing? Car
Good.
looks sick, dude.
Thank you.
Supra, baby Mac, looking good. Bro, we're good. I got what I needed. Jeez, I can't hear anymore. Dude, oh, it's got the 1016 carbon fiber hood. That thing looks so sick. Go, 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 go. That was terrible. That was awful.
Seriously, bad.
That's all you have?
I got the shit.
I was gonna give you a shout out in today's video. That shout out for Aaron
can't
Paulus.
do it.
Nope, nope, nope. There's a link in the description below, but don't go follow. Wow. Okay, this is take two. Take two. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to beautiful Colorado Springs, Colorado.
Shh. Good morning. Wait, now.
Oh my gosh. See, boys, there are good days and then there are Senna days. This thing is brand new. This car has never been driven, and word on the street is that I might get to drive it. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Fully exposed carbon fiber McLaren Senna. Just wait. When you guys see this under the sun, you're gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. Looks so good. Yes, 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 yes. These windows are very, very convenient. All right, Rick, be safe with that. Don't hit any birds.
You got it.
Don't hit a bird. Jeez, Rick hit a bird the last time he drove one of my cars? Not good. This Senna has 57 miles on it. This is your first time ever driving it. Your dad hasn't even driven the car yet.
Nope.
All right.
Haven't even ridden in it.
Here we go. This is so cool. Full paint protection film was just installed. We are going out on the road. Launch control is right there, Andrew, by the way. Just FYI, just in case you needed to know. It's right there if we need to use it. Look at that rear glass too. And you can see that massive, massive wing. This is like the most visceral interior I've ever been in. Look at that smug smile, dude, this is sick. This is like delivery day right now, guys. This is the first time this car has ever been driven on the public road. We're following Aaron in the 570 right now. Oh, jeez. We only have 20 minutes in the Senna. Andrew's dad was on the phone, so he's just like, Andrew, you just take the car, you let me go for my ride, you know, your stupid, annoying YouTube video. Andrew's 17 years old, driving a carbon Senna. So we're following Aaron in the 570. We're gonna go find some open space. Obviously, we're gonna keep it very, very, very slow. This is the passenger window on the Senna, and that's because you got the rear glass right here. Like a window couldn't go down. The controls are right here. Up and down. Hello. All right, let's go get him. This might be the sickest Senna I've ever seen. You got the red carbon right there, stripe as well. Red here on the mirror caps too. This car is insane. I need it in my life. I need a Senna. This one, like, I don't know how much this spec costs, but just the exposed carbon is like $270,000 option, and it's worth every single penny. I give Rick the keys to the Supra for 5 seconds.
What?
And look at this bird! That poor bird! I'm gonna get demonetized for that. Cut that out. I'm gonna have to blur it. So there's a dead bird. I'm gonna have to blur that because I'll get demonetized. But R.I.P. young man. R.I.P. So unfortunately, we have to leave. We have to go back to Utah. Aaron, good to see you. Andrew, good to see you as well. But we're headed that way, that way, that way, and then a long, long, long ways right there. 8 hours and 50 minutes, 580 miles to Salt Lake City, Utah from Colorado Springs. Yeah, so anyways, Yeah, it's 10 hours and it's raining in Utah as well, so yeah. Whoa, Colorado is just flexing on the nation, boys. We're out here chasing views on views. We have like 9,000 billion more miles to Utah, but it is beautiful. Unfortunately, I can't roll down the windows. I'm sorry, guys, but this is the best I can do. That's it. That's all. I kind of want to roll them down, but I can't. I'm not allowed to. Wait for it. Yes! Welcome back. I'm not in sport mode. I messed that up. I'm not in sport mode now. Sorry, that was way too emotional. I'm just very excited. It's been a long journey, but we made it. It feels so good to be back home in the beautiful state of Utah. I'm telling you, there's nowhere else like it in the United States of America. If you're thinking about moving to Utah, don't do it. Like, don't come here. If you live in Utah, you can stay, but it's also suggested that you leave because it's garbage. It is absolute, utter garbage. This car has been awesome. We've done over 3,000 miles in it. We still have like 2 hours to go. But the Toyota Supra, the 2020 Supra, I would argue this has got to be the highest mileage Supra in the world. And if it's not, whoever has more miles, like, props to you. But yeah, Utah flexing on the nation. This isn't good. Not passable dirt on road. So yeah, quick time check. It is 9:54 p.m. So. Yes. Yeah, a big tractor just went driving by. Current situation, it's 10:08 p.m. and a tractor just drove by. Update, traffic is moving, kind of. It's 10:15 p.m. It's a mudslide and the road is closed all night. The problem is that that's the only way home. So, yeah, I don't know where we're going or what we're doing. Update, it is 10:45 p.m. We've turned around going the wrong direction and now we're in a different traffic jam. No! The new route is 2 hours and 40 minutes, 146 miles. We were 40 minutes from home. 40 minutes, are you kidding me? I don't have a place to actually park the Supra per se. 3,345 miles. So we just drove 3,300 miles across the United States. Boys, we're home. We made it. We made it. I completely wiped out last night, so it is a new day, but welcome back to the beautiful state of Utah. The 2020 Toyota Supra, 3,300 miles across America. In 3 days, I'm driving this car to Monterey, California. So effectively, we are driving from coast to coast in a brand new 2020 Toyota Supra. This car is amazing. I'm so excited to have it in the garage. In the comments below, what do you want to see me do with this car? Like, what mods do you want to see? I'm nearly certain we're going to wide body it. I'm pretty sure we're going to put it on air, but the verdict is still out. The verdict is still out. The Burlacker, he added stripes to his Shelby GT350. It looks so good. And then the Hellcat Gladiator is done, guys. It's finally done. Yes. We were flying to Michigan, I think, in like a week and a half, and we're driving that baby back to Utah. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.